So I just wanted to film. This is a massive blizzard that we just had here in Texas. Look at that. Whoa. Folks, I think we got ourselves here Bigfoot. Oh my lord. Land sakes, I never thought I'd see one alive and oh god, it fell. It fell. No wonder they say us Americans evolved from these things. Look at that. Look at that. Excuse me, can I get an interview with the Bigfoot? Oh my god, I'm actually gonna get one. I hope it doesn't kill me though. Look at this. Look at that. I'm gonna make billions of dollars on the National Geographic. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. Okay, that's close enough. Oh god. Oh. It's grunting, it's breathing. It had a hard time getting here, but I want to get a full shot. Oh god, no, no. Oh god, no. Ah! Stop!